Hi guys, so this is my unboxing of the Olight Mini. So let's take this out of the box. Instructions. It's got a battery in it. Move this aside. Yeah. Why is it not switching on? Must be something stopping it. There's something here. If I just knock that out, try not to let that fall on the floor. There you go. And there we go. About 150 lumens. So that's the new one. If I just stick that there, I'll just stick it here if it doesn't roll away. And this one's the old one that I've got, and it's actually, oh, I just dropped it. It's actually about the same size-ish. So if I just stick a battery in the other one, see what the difference is. You can see on here, see if there's any difference there. About the same. So that's it guys, I'm just doing it to replace that one. Also as an extra, if we just attach, hang on, just attach a lanyard to it guys, because you never know, you're going to lose it, you know what I mean? So there we go. And then that's it. So that's the new one, as you can see. That's the old one, so it's all faded. So I'm going to have basically two torches when I do a night vlog that are pointing at me at these sort of angles. That's it, it's just to upgrade my lighting at night. So it takes up less batteries. Cool. So thank you very much guys. I'll put the new one here. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks guys, bye bye.